Welcome to The Broke Budget. My name is Brittany. If you've never been here before, I would like to welcome you. We like to talk about ways to save and stop living paycheck to paycheck here on this channel, so if that interests you, be sure to hit subscribe for more content. But today we're going to be talking about ways that you can save money while you're on a road trip. So be sure to stick around till the end so you can get every tip. So if you are planning on road tripping, there is some things you need to do before you even leave your house. Namely, packing food. Yes. You need to plan out how many days you plan on eating out, because just because we're going on vacation doesn't mean that we stop budgeting. In fact, this is the most important moment where we need to be sticking to a budget. We need to know how many times are we going to eat out while we're gone. And then you need to plan accordingly. Am I going to have a refrigerator? Am I going to have a microwave? Am I going to have a stove? Or am I going to be limited to not having anything and I'm just going to have to eat snacks and then mostly eat out? I mean, that's all things you need to prepare. And then you need to plan out your grocery shopping trip to actually shop for the groceries before you leave for your trip. You can also go to the location and then go stop at a nearby Walmart or something if you would like. But you have to remember that oftentimes where tourist attractions are and gas stations and vending machines and things like that are all going to cost double or triple what a grocery store would cost. I prefer to get my groceries before I leave, but if there's something I can't bring, like I can't bring milk, for instance, on a road trip down, but I should be able to buy milk and keep it in the refrigerator in the hotel, then I might actually consider buying milk at a local grocery store. But do understand that sometimes prices are different, sometimes they're higher, sometimes they're lower and you get lucky, but not always. If you have been enjoying this content, be sure to hit like on it. It really helps out my channel, and let's get back to the video. Another way to save money when you're on a road trip is actually to get the Gets Up app. It's one app, I mean there's probably many more out there, that helps you save money on gas prices. So you actually get money back from them whenever you purchase gas. And on a road trip, you know you're going to be purchasing car gas a lot. Another tip, and I didn't find this out until more recently, if you have AAA, you can actually use your card to get discounts. You can get discounts at gas stations, but you can also get discounts at restaurants. And you can get discounts at movies or attractions. One way or another, it's good to have in case your car breaks down or you need to get towed, but it's also a good thing because you can get discounts, and you can get discounts at restaurants or gas stations or attractions, even in amusement parks. So be sure to look for that or ask for that. Ask for if they have a option for a AAA discount. You can often times get a percentage off or even just like $2 off or a coupon. It's still worth it to save money. I know on road trips, oftentimes if you're taking a really long road trip, you get really tired and you want to go just lay down for a nap. If you stop at a hotel, you will be paying more money because it is a last minute stop. But if you decide that it's not worth a hotel and you just stay at a rest stop for a few hours, because likely you'll get about a few hours of sleep whether you get it in a bed at a hotel or in the car. If you just stop at a rest stop for a few hours, you should be good to go, and that will actually save you a lot of money too. And I mentioned that in the last video, so if you haven't seen that one, go ahead and go check that one out as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, be sure to hit like before you go, and be sure to subscribe if you've enjoyed this content and you want to see more just like this. And I will see you in the next video. And you also have to calculate on the way up and on the way down, or wherever you are headed, sideways, whatever direction. I guess up and down doesn't always qualify.